In this ukulele tutorial, we're gonna learn lava. And you gotta stick around because I got two things, total surprises for you in this video. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. Welcome to You Collect the Pros. I'm Terry Carter. And as I mentioned, I got two surprises for you. You might already recognize one of them. If you do, leave that comment below. But anyway, thanks for being here. If you're new to the channel, we do ukulele tutorials and reviews and challenges and giveaways, all kinds of stuff, even giveaways of Aloha. How crazy is that? Make sure to subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and if you dig what you're doing, what we're doing in this video, make sure to smash that like button. Lava is probably one of the most popular songs for ukulele because it's actually written on ukulele. It's an ukulele and a voice. That's it. There's no drums or anything like that. And it's a great song. It's a great story. It's a little long, and that's one of the surprises that I got to tell you about in just a little bit. But anyway, this is going to be fun. I'm going to teach you how to play it. I'm going to teach you that strum pattern, which is not the island strum. It's not the island strum. And I'm going to teach you the chords, which is really cool. There's only a couple sections. And then we're going to play along at the end with the killer backing track that I had made up by my buddy Pear. If at any point you want the lyrics and chords to this, we'll put a link below so you can go sign up and grab those. All right. Shall we? Let me just go over the strum pattern first. Actually, let me show you the chords first. We only got 3 chords. The C chord, the G7 chord, and the F chord. If you can do those chords, which you should, because those are like the first 3 chords you should learn as a ukulele player, then you got this song, and I got your back. By the way, I mentioned that backing track. If you want that backing track, head on over to our Patreon channel, patreon.com/YouCollectThePros. We give all our patrons the backing tracks as well as the sheet music and all that kind of stuff, and a bunch of other bonuses as well. All right, so grab the C chord. Have you figured out the first surprise yet? I'll tell you in just a second. All right, grab your C chord. Here's the strum pattern. Just grab your index finger here, and this is it right here. That's it. Simple as that. That's not the island strum, and I'm going to show you that in a second. But did you figure out the first thing? You Collect the Pros. Is it weird that I refer to myself as You Collect the Pros, even though I'm Terry Carter? I'm not sure. Maybe that is. But so You Collect the Pros is, first of all, on a soprano ukulele? What? Wait. Soprano and a high G? Wait, what's going on today? Is there something weird in the universe today? Or there's no strap? Like, how do you even hold this thing? I don't even know how you hold it. I need some help holding this soprano. But anyway, I do have a soprano. This is mine, by the way, from Aloha. Thank you, Aloha. This is my soprano KSM00, all solid koa, and I do have the LR bags pickup put into this one. You can get one of these if you want. Stored at ukelikethepros.com. All right, where were we? Strum pattern. Here we go. All right, got your C chord. So all you got to do is go to this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Boom. That's it. The whole time. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Or 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Right. Now, if you listen to it, if you listen to the actual song Lava, it actually, the accent beats 2 and 4 a little bit, so it's actually 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So you just accent by just strumming a little bit harder, okay? So that's it. Do that for the whole song. Now, once in a while, you could throw in the island strum during this. It's okay. It sounds good, but really that's the strum pattern for the song. Now, if you like the sheet music for this, as opposed to just lyrics and chords, I got a lot of it from right here, the Disney book. Let me show you. The Disney hits for ukulele, and again, you can get this at my store, store.ukelikethepros.com. All right, let me show you this. So this is what I've done. We have a killer backing track. The original recording, it kind of slows down, it pauses, it speeds up, so it's just too much. So we just kept it one steady tempo, and I kind of made our version real simple so we can just sing verse, chorus, all the way to the end. Real simple. So there's only 2 parts we have to learn, all right? Let me show it to you. I'll do a little singing. By the way, your starting note here is, right there is your C note. A long, long time ago. All right, so I'll strum the chords real slowly. This is the verse, right? So anytime we have a verse, you're gonna play these chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a long, long time ago, and there was a volcano living all around the middle of the sea. I said around, I should have said alone. You're going to have to get used to that. I always mix words up. That's how I roll. Okay, but that was it. Okay, so you're just going to play that C chord for 2 measures, to the G7 for 2 measures, to the F for 2 measures, and then you're going to do 1 measure of C and then 2 measures of the G7, and that's it. That's a verse. Every time we have a verse, we're going to keep it like that. The only weird thing is this is that 2 measures of the G7 at the end, which is great because it leads us right to the chorus, which is actually going to start on the F chord. All right, do the chorus with me, and we'll do it nice and slow just so you can see the form of it. And again, every time we do the chorus, it's going to be this form right here. 1, 2, 3, and I have a dream I hope will come true. You're here with me, and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth, sea, and sky up above will send me someone to love us. Now, that's one thing I changed a little bit. At the end of each chorus, we're going to do 4 measures of the C chord, and that's just going to give us a little time to sing that last word, lava. Send me someone to lava. What a brilliant song. And then it's going to lead us right into the verse again. And then the only other thing is at the very end, when we tag it, we're going to tag it. Check this out. I love you. That's once. One more time. I love you. Now the last time. I love you. You're going to tag that G7 at the end. You're going to 2 extra times and then end it with the last word. All right. That's it. What am I forgetting? The second surprise. All right. This is a long song. It's a freaking long song. Surprise number 2. Boom. So I do have 4 pages of lyrics here. I'm going to be looking at them. Hopefully not too much, but there's just so much here for me. So I usually don't like doing it. I like memorizing stuff. But in this case, I'm going to have these out because I want to get through this and have a great performance. So anyway, hopefully you're enjoying this. Make sure to leave a comment below and smash that like button if you're digging what we're doing. We're going to do it with the backing track now. Everything is going to be on the screen. But again, if you want the sheet music, you can click the link below. We're going to give that to you if you just sign up for free. And if you want this backing track and all that kind of stuff, we're giving that to all our patrons, patreon.com/ukelikethepros. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. 1, 2, intro, and... Long, long time ago, there was a volcano living all alone in the middle of the sea. He sat high above his bay, watching all the couples play, and wishing that he had someone too. And from his lava came this song of hope that he sang out loud every day for years and years. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish the earth, sea, the sky up above will send me someone to lava. Years of singing all alone turned his lava into stone until it was on the brink of extinction. But little did he know that living in the sea below, another volcano was listening to his song. Every day she heard his tune, her lava grew and grew because she believed his song was meant for her. Now she was so ready to meet him above the sea as he sang his song of hope for the last time. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the sky up above will send me someone to lava. Rising from the sea below stood a lovely volcano, looking all around, but she could not see him. He tried to sing to let her know that she was not alone, but no lava, his song was all gone. He filled the sea with his tears and watched his dreams disappear as she remembered what his song meant to her. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you're here with me and I'm here with you. I wish that the earth see the sky up above will send me someone to lava. Oh, they were so happy to finally meet above the sea. All together now their lava grew and grew. No longer were they all alone with Aloha as their new home. And when you visit them, this is what they sing. I have a dream I hope will come true, that you'll go with me and I'll go with you. We thank the earth, see the sky, we thank too. I love you. I love you. I love you. All right, there you go. Drop the glasses, drop the headphones. That was Lava. How did you do on that one? It's a long song. You notice with the strum pattern too that I was varying it up the whole time. When you're singing, you're playing this in the backing track, you're getting into the music. It's cool. I might have missed up a few words here or there or whatever, but come on, we're going to go with it. It's like a 5-minute song, so cut me some slack. But anyway, how do you do? Leave that comment below. Don't forget, if you need the sheet music or the lyrics, the chords, we'll put a link below. You got to go sign up. And if you want that backing track, killer backing track, make sure to go over to patreon.com/ukelikethepros. And that's it. That's going to do it. I appreciate all the support, smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel, all that good stuff. Take care. Hope you enjoyed my soprano with the high G. That's how we're doing it. Thanks to Aloha again for this one. But anyway, that's it for today. Have a good one. Be safe, and we'll see you next time.